anyone else is planning on going to Cambodia by ferry from India, they should definitely rethink their decision and maybe not go there at all because they're racist as
Solo traveler Nida Merchant alleged that she was denied entry into Cambodia from Vietnam despite having a valid visa. She added that she also felt unsafe and had to cut short her trip.
I spent 2 amazing days in Phuoc, post which I got on a ferry to go to Cambodia. I was traveling with one person from Tokyo and 2 Swedish people. Post that, we got off and we had a coffee. We traveled together to the passport control and the border. They were allowed to go through, and when I showed my passport, the official state started laughing and said you can't go through, in spite of having a visa and having applied for it, and having a visa that's valid for 2 or 3 months. I guess about an hour I was made to wait. I kept requesting them that please let me go, and they just kept laughing at me. They found it very amusing. The larger official just told me that, you know what, leave your suitcase in this room and come with me. I'll take you by bike to Cambodia. I found that very shady, and I said, no, I'm not going to do that. I also realized that, why have I given them my suitcase? So I just realized, and I ran back to the place where I left my suitcase. This guy followed me back, and he had got another official to take his place because he got off and literally got on his bike and was expecting me to hop on behind him, which was extremely shady. I don't know whether he wanted me to give him a bribe or I don't know what. It was just really scary. I tried to get my suitcase back, and he started yelling at the other official that took his place, saying that, why did you not lock the room door as he had told him to do? I also went to the other officials who were there, and I said that, what is going on and how can you allow this to happen? Every single person there just laughed at me. I checked online. I requested them many times. Their own embassy allows Indians to cross the border or enter Cambodia, even via, on ground, not only in an airport, but even at the other ports. But they proceeded to just show me this paper, like I said, and it said that Indians, Bangladeshis and all, if they want, they can not allow them. In the push and pull of me getting my suitcase wheel broke. I have scratches all over my leg. Now I'm in this other ferry, which is a 3-hour ferry, going back to Phuoc because I just want to go home.
In 2024, many social media users alleged that immigration officers in Cambodia were denying entry and visa extensions to travelers from India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh and Indonesia. However, Cambodia's General Department of Immigration swiftly denied these claims, stating that there was no ban on entry or refusal of visa extensions for nationals from these countries. In Nida's case, she shared her experience on social media and the video went viral. She added that the taxi driver who took me back from the border to the ferry told me that Indians haven't been allowed to cross that border for months. I tried calling the Indian embassy in Cambodia, but they didn't answer. I also reached out to the Cambodian embassy in Delhi, the one that issued my visa, but they didn't pick up either.